Look, look, there's my cat. He wants water. What? 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 Alright. He'll get the water. Like that. Oh. 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 Wait. Like that. Oh, it was hot. That's why. Alright. Like this. Right. Alright. Come on. Drink. Drink. Yeah, like that. You can look how fast he's drinking. One time, my mom came in and turned off the water. She did that a second ago. Hello. You're a little cat, aren't you? You're a witty bitty cat. That is what is making all that noise. Da 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 da. My cat's food. If I do this, look. Do this. It doesn't react. That's why it's not getting its food. If it's in the other rooms and I go like this, it comes running down like this, and then like that. But his food is there. And by the way, it gets cleaned. And that was clean yesterday, right? So here is his food. Da 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 da. Hello. Oh, you can't do it when I'm standing here? And I'll go like this. Oh, shut up. So, yeah guys, that was the new cat video today. There will be 1 week from now, 1 week and a day, and then the new video with my cat, which name is Findus, by the way. Yeah, his name is Findus, and that's maybe a little weird name for a cat. But we are in Denmark right now. Look, Denmark.